money can feel almost impossible. You look at your income, look at your bills, and wonder, what's the point? But let me tell you something powerful. Budgeting isn't just for the rich. It's for anyone who wants to take control of their future. Even if you're starting small, even if it feels like there's barely enough to go around, a solid budget can be your ticket to stability, peace, and growth. In this video, I'll share 5 easy and practical budgeting tips for 2026 that work no matter your income level. These are the exact strategies people use to stretch every dollar, build discipline, and slowly but surely transform their financial story. Because wealth isn't built from having a lot, it's built from managing what you already have. Tip 1. Track every penny, know where your money goes. The first step is simple but powerful. You must know where every penny goes. Most people think they're broke, but the truth is they just don't track their spending. I used to believe I didn't have enough to save, until I started writing down every purchase I made, from the smallest snack to the biggest bill. At first, it felt uncomfortable, even unnecessary. But when I looked back at my notes, I saw where my money was silently leaking: fast food, data subscriptions, impulse buys. That's when I realized budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about awareness. Once you start tracking your spending, you'll see patterns. And once you see patterns, you gain control. Start small. Use a notebook, a free app, or even your phone's notes. Every time money leaves your hands, write it down. You'll be surprised how much power that simple act gives you. Tip 2. Create a realistic micro-budget. Once you know where your money is going, the next step is to create what I call a micro-budget. This type of budget isn't complicated. It's designed for people who are starting small. You're not dividing thousands of dollars. Maybe you're managing just a few hundred. That's okay. What matters is having a plan for every dollar. List your essentials first: rent, food, transport, utilities. Those are your musts. Then list your wants: entertainment, takeouts, new clothes. When your income is small, you prioritize survival and stability first. Now here's a powerful mindset shift. Instead of saying, "I can't afford to save," say, "I will save something even if it's little." Even saving 1,000 Nigerian Nairas or $5 per week builds the habit. That's how budgeting becomes second nature. Remember, a budget doesn't limit you, it frees you from chaos. Tip 3. Automate savings, pay yourself first. Now that your micro-budget is set, it's time to build a habit that wealthy people swear by: pay yourself first. What does that mean? It means the moment money enters your hands, you set aside a small portion for saving. Before paying bills, before buying groceries, before anything else. Even if it's just 5% of your income, automate it if you can. This small act tells your brain that you are your own priority. It builds financial self-respect. Over time, those small amounts grow, not just in your account, but in your discipline. And here's the truth: consistency beats amount. You don't need to save a lot, you just need to save often. Every little drop counts, and one day you'll look back and realize those drops have become a river. Tip 4. Cut hidden costs, the silent budget killers. Most people lose money without realizing it, not through big purchases but through hidden costs. Subscriptions they forgot to cancel, and used data plans, delivery fees, impulse online orders, the silent killers of every small budget. When I finally reviewed my bank alerts and receipts, I realized how much I was wasting on things I didn't even need. That was my wake-up call. I went through every expense and asked one question: does this add value to my life? If the answer was no, it had to go. By trimming these small expenses, I freed up extra cash to use for things that truly mattered: savings, investments, peace of mind. Cutting costs isn't deprivation, it's prioritization. Every dollar you keep is a soldier fighting for your financial future. Tip 5. Review and adjust monthly, stay flexible. The final step is the one most people forget: reviewing your budget regularly. A budget isn't set in stone, it's a living document that grows as you grow. Your income may change, your needs may shift, and your goals will evolve. At the end of each month, sit down and review: what worked, what didn't, where did you overspend, where did you save? This reflection helps you stay in control and avoid financial drift. Budgeting isn't about being perfect, it's about being aware and adaptable. Remember, every budget review is another step toward mastery, and mastery over your money means mastery over your life. If you've been telling yourself you can't budget because you earn too little, it's time to change that story. You don't need to have a lot to start, you just need to start with what you have. Track your money, create a simple plan, pay yourself first, cut out waste, and review often. Budgeting is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It may not happen overnight, but every small choice builds momentum. So start today, your future self will thank you for it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to take charge of their finances. Together, we can make 2026 the year of financial transformation.